In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an organization to your LinkedIn profile using your phone. Welcome back, and let's jump right in. We're working inside the LinkedIn mobile app, and I'm starting on the profile view so you can follow along easily. First, open your profile by tapping your profile photo in the upper left corner. That opens a small panel. Next, tap your name to go straight to your profile page. This is where we'll make the update. You'll see a button labeled Add Section. Go ahead and tap that to reveal more options for what you can display on your profile. Now scroll down until you find the category called Additional. Expand that section, and you'll see an option labeled Add Organizations. This is the area LinkedIn uses to highlight professional groups, clubs, nonprofits, and similar affiliations you want to showcase. Tap Add Organizations to open the form. On the form, start by entering your organization's name. For example, you could type something like ABD as a placeholder while you're testing. Take a moment to spell the name exactly as the organization prefers so it's easy for others to recognize. You'll also see fields for your position and any related associations. If you hold a specific role, like member, volunteer, or coordinator, add that. It helps clarify your involvement. If you don't have anything to link or there isn't an applicable association, you can leave those parts blank. Keep the details concise and accurate so your profile stays clean and professional. When everything looks good, tap Save. LinkedIn processes the update right away. To confirm it's there, go back to your profile. If you don't see the change immediately, refresh the page. On most phones, you can simply pull down on the screen to reload. Then scroll down and you should see a new section labeled Organizations with your entry listed. Want to add more? Tap the Add button in that Organizations section and repeat the same process for each additional group. If you ever need to edit or remove an organization, tap the pencil icon to open the editing view, select the item you want to change, update the details, and save. If you decide to remove it entirely, scroll down in that edit view and tap Delete Organization, then Confirm. And that's it, a quick, simple way to showcase your affiliations directly from your phone, making your profile more complete and easier for people to understand your professional involvement. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.